These are the instructions for installing the Li48-105 battery in Clubcar Precedent buggies. First, please switch off the battery and put the cart switch in tow position. Next, remove the lead-acid batteries. You will also need to remove the existing charger. Now, drill holes using the template provided. 1/4 inch for the 2 back holes. 7/16 for the 2 front holes. Next, mount the battery using bolts provided. First, using a 1/2 inch socket, install self-tapping M8, 3/8, 1 and 9/16 bolts on the back. Tighten to 7 foot-pounds. Then, using a 21 32" socket and wrench, install M10 2 and 3/4 inch with 1 inch penny washer and M10 3/8 locking nut. Tighten to 14 foot-pounds. Mount the charger using self-drilling screws provided. Connect cart positive and negative, along with charger positive and negative to the battery. For the gauge, drill a hole in the dash using a 2-inch hole saw. Connect positive and negative to the ignition positive and ground respectively. Tighten the gauge in place using wing nut and clamp. This gauge is multi-voltage and will operate between 9 and 90 volts. Power on the battery. Put the cart in run position. Your installation is now complete. Thank you for watching.